Hallo, willkommen auf meinem Kanal. Welcome to another YouTube video with Miss Mando. So, in case you don't know me, my name is Mando. I'm a German teacher and together we're going to learn German. So, let's get started. In a previous video, we talked about some rules about vowel pronunciation in German. Today, we're going to talk about German consonants. Specifically, we're going to see how to pronounce them and how two consonants together may create different sounds in German. So take a look at the German alphabet. As we talked before, there are 5 vowels in German. There is A, E, I, O, and U. But as we said before, today is not the day about vowels. Today is the day about consonants. So if you need to go and take a look at the German vowels, just click over here and you can go to the specific video about German vowels. So we have B as Ball or bitte, C as computer, D as Deutsch or danke, F like Ferien or fahren, G as Geld oder gut, H as Hund or heute, J as Jacke or ja, K as Kind and kommen, L as Leute and lang, M as Mann and morgen, N as Nacht and nein, P as Puppe and prima, Q as Quelle, R as Reise and rot, S like Sohne and sehen, T as Tag and toll, V as Vater and von, W like Wagen or was, X like xylophone, Y like Y, and Z like 10 or Zimmer. 4 tricky symbols: J, V, W, and Z. J. It's the English J. So instead of saying J, we say Y. Y. So not Jacke, but Jacke. Not jar, but ja. Not Januar, but Januar. So, second one, V. Not V, but F. For example, Vogel, viel, Viertel, von. Third one, W. This W is basically the English W. We say wer, not where, wann, not one, or wenn, not when. And then the last one is the Z. We say zen, not zen, or Zimmer, not Zimmer, kurz, not kurz. So guys, there is something else I want to tell you at this point of the video. In German, we have an extra consonant. This consonant is SZ. This SZ is equivalent to double S. So some words in German are written with SZ instead of double S, but in case you want to capitalize this SZ, then just forget about the SZ. Instead, just put double S, like indicated. So now that we have a better idea of the consonants in German, let's just take a look at the rules that we need to know. The consonants B, D, and G, when they are at the end of a word, then they have a different pronunciation. Instead of us saying B, we say P, like gelb, blieb, ab. Instead of saying D, we say T, like but, und, Geld. Instead of a G, we say K, Ka, like Flug, Zug. So guys, a second rule. The S at the beginning of the word or next, so before a vowel, is pronounced like Z. So like sehen. However, when it is at the end of a word or is a double S, then we say S, like das. The third rule is related to the English H, which is basically the German Ha. The German Ha, when it is at the beginning of a word, then it's pronounced just a bit, like haben or house. But when Ha is in the middle or at the end of a word, then we don't pronounce it at all. For example, Kuh, sehen, gehen, froh. We just pronounce the vowel that is usually before the Ha a little bit longer than usual. Now let's see the rules on how to combine the consonants together and how these combined consonants make different sounds. The I with the G at the end are ich. So for example, ständig or 20. Second rule, very important, especially for Americans. C with H makes ich, Licht, Buch. So basically, it's more like a okay? So just take a look at it and just practice. Then we have the combination of SCH. SCH is personally my favorite because it's so satisfying. It's like saying shh, 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 schade, schon, Schule, Deutsch. Another rule, C and K together makes the very easy noise K. It's like there is no C, there's only the K, right? So like K, Zucker, dick. Last but not least, the last rule for today is about the S when the S is combined with P and T. So when the S is combined with these two consonants, then we have this beautiful sound that I like, the sp, st. So, spielen, stehen. So guys, this is all for today. As homework for next time, I want you guys to do an individual work. I want you to take a look at this table and try to pronounce these words at your own pace. So, thank you so much for watching. Danke schön, schön, and bis bald. Tschüss!